the trail and look what I see. Trail magic. What have we here? Garbage, which is always good to get rid of your extra weight that serves no purpose. We've got ramen, a logbook. We've got Canada Dries, candy bars. We got oranges, and there's ice in there. Oh my God, the jackpot. Sports drink, look at that. Thank you, why not? Wonder if that's the why not I was hiking with. Guess I won't know for sure. Awesome. Hey guy, what you doing on the trail? Can you move so I can get past? Are you gonna be friendly when I touch you? And just move, or you're not gonna like it. You don't like it, do you? But you're gonna go. Thank you. He's rattling his tail even though he's not a rattler. A lot of snakes in the last few days, myself and other people. Get ready for a laugh.